Hi there, my name is Cheryl. I'm a student with the Education 4251 course, and tonight I'm going to be giving you a presentation regarding a series of workshops that I'm developing. So this series of workshops is centered around diversity and inclusion. The target audiences for this series includes adult learners in individual, organizational, and training settings. This workshop will utilize an objective-based educational approach to learning, or authentic and higher-level learning, and will utilize a blended online delivery of asynchronous and synchronous tools. Virtual communication methods as well will be applied within these workshops. The goal or purpose of these workshops are to utilize strategies and approaches to create inclusive and diverse organizations, projects, and relationships. Some outcomes of the workshop include the use of professional and respectful communication skills, the use of tools and resources for inclusive interpersonal skills development, and the application of practical strategies and approaches to align organizational project and personal goals with diversity and inclusion. A key aim of this workshop as well too is to really reflect and discuss and identify the need and the gap of diversity and inclusion. Globalization, technology, COVID-19, changing marketplaces, diverse consumers, virtually every aspect of society reflects on the growing needs of diverse and inclusive environments and organizations. The Conference Board of Canada identifies the growing awareness of the importance of diversity and inclusion strategies within organizations. Surveys and research conducted by academia, Statistics Canada, the Canadian Centre for Diversity and Inclusion, and key businesses such as Deloitte all identify diversity and inclusion as requirements to achieve organizational efficiency and increase productivity. Yet, some of the biggest challenges that organizations and economy continue to experience is relevant skill development, misaligned skills to match the needs of the economy, and as well not realizing the full potential of diversity and inclusion. The series of workshops will utilize a variety of teaching activities, which include face-to-face tools, the use of reflective journals, focused and engaged dialogue, very professionally planned and thought out materials and handouts, peer-reviewed exercises, and the use of scenarios. Learning activities will include a truly learner-focused approach to learning in learning by discovery, project-based learning, and autonomy in learning. A variety of online tools will be utilized to enhance feedback and engagement in both asynchronous and synchronous settings, which will include analytics. Some of these tools include Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Moodle, videos, presentation, and as well panelists and guest speakers. The evaluation and assessment approach for these workshops will be formative in nature and will include the use of assessment and evaluation tools before, during, and after the workshop experience. And some resources will include informal check-ins, rubrics, daily discussions, journal entries, and self-evaluation. So thank you for taking the time to review this video with me. I really appreciate the opportunity to continue to learn and collaborate with you. And in closing, I will leave you a snapshot of some of the references that I've utilized with this video. So thank you very much. Take care.